All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to place an image behind text in a Word document. Um, I've made a video very similar to this many years ago, but the process has slightly changed, and so I wanted to make an updated video. So here's the quickest way to do this. There are a couple different options, but I find this to be the best. You have the most control over your image. Just double click your mouse anywhere in the top of the page here, and that opens the header. I have some text here about my Chihuahua, and you can add that later though. It doesn't need to be there when you do this. Anyway, you have the header part open, and now you're going to go into insert, and you're going to go to picture, and you could select from file, however way you want to do it. Just hit insert, and now the image is in there, and by default it pushes down the text. You can't see the text, but if we click on it, we can click wrap text, and we're going to put behind, right? And so now you see the text is in front. That's great. That's what we want it. Other things you can do, if you want the image to take up the entire screen, you can do that. You can move it using the little anchor points here, or you can also show you here. You have this right here. You know, if you know it's like a 8.5 by 11, you know, this should be 11, right? And so you can just do that. Make it a little bigger. And so now you can position it, look at where it is, and you should be able to position it so it takes up the whole screen. And the other thing you can do is you can also control the transparency. You might want to, so that you can read your text better. You can make your image a little more transparent. You can add all kinds of different effects to this image. When you're all done though, just double click on the side, not in the header part anymore, and that should get you out of there. And there you go. You have your text on top. One other thing, just always make sure, like if you're going to print this, take a look before you print it. Go to File, Print, and make sure it looks how you want it to, and you could adjust it more and then take a look back at it.